guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you all of the collection of Middle Eastern perfumes. In specific would be Lattafa brands. So basically I will show you what I have from Lattafa brands, and I would like to thank you, all of you who are watching this video together with me, and I really hope we will have some fun together. So let's start with these perfumes. So I have 13 Lattafa perfumes, and plus I have 4 Aldersafran perfumes, which I will not show you right now, but right now I will show you my beautiful Lattafa perfumes, guys. So but first let me ask you, what is your favorite Middle Eastern perfume, or perhaps brand, or have you ever tried any of them? Have you ever been like tempted to buy them? You know, myself, I started my journey with Lattafa perfumes and continuing with Aldersafran. So, and also I got this Al Rehab as well. Al Rehab, you know, I got Al Rehab few there, like some kind of oils. I'm not entirely sure what to think about them. I haven't even opened one of them. So let's start. RAGHBA, the beautiful ambery type of perfume that you can get for very cheap price, guys. RAGHBA is very popular. If you talk about Middle Eastern brands, Middle Eastern perfumes or Arabic perfumes, guys, RAGHBA, you cannot avoid you know, RAGHBA. RAGHBA basically is everywhere on the, if we look for Arabic perfumes, this is the one that people knows about, you know. And like I wasn't an exception, guys. You know, I got this RAGHBA perfume just to know, you know, what it is. So basically this is ambery type of perfume that is really worth having because it's ambery. As I said before, it's long lasting, although some people say it's not long lasting. It's sweet, it's unique, it's unusual. It's like as if you never kind of smelled something like that before. And for that reason, you know, this particular uniqueness, you know, it's worth getting it if you speak about Arabic perfume. So I really recommend you guys to get this juice, you know, really recommend you. I'm gonna put it back. So this is perfume number 1. Perfume number 2 would be very popular, or I mean, that causes a lot of interest in the man type of perfumes to get from Middle Eastern perfume. So it's EJAAZI. Basically it's by Lattafa. It's on Amazon it says is unisex, but actually here it says it's for man. So basically it causes a lot of confusion probably, but myself, I do wear it sometimes, perhaps twice or 3 times a month. I do wear it, and it gives me certain type of confidence. It has ambroxan, but not that type of ambroxan that there is in eccentric molecules. So Q is completely different, and it's a type of strong, you know, type of, it's considerably fresh, strong, but also spicy. Is something, it's nice, you know, it's basically, it's nice to have. It's kind of, they say it's a little bit ambery too. I didn't felt it at the beginning. Ooh, like the cap is kind of a bit broken there. I didn't got it at the beginning, but now as I'm smelling it, maybe I could feel some amber there too, but it's more like fresh type of man perfume, you know, and really long lasting. I could say it's around 8 hours or something like that. EJAAZI, guys, EJAAZI perfume. So this is another basically Lattafa perfume. Number 3 perfume from Lattafa, guys, it's dupe for Baccarat Rouge. It's ABIEDH Rouge by Lattafa. This is the one that I really wanted to get first, and then I added more to this collection. So Lattafa, and they say it's 80% dupe, you know, for this Baccarat Rouge, guys. So why not, you know? It's around 14 pounds. It's only 60 ml, and I think it's one of my favorite from Lattafa, together with RAGHBA and some others, you know. There are many others as well, and really nice perfume, guys, to have. It's it has a saffron note, and this type of unusual, although let's say you might feel like it's like some synthetic notes there, but at the end it's kind of becomes sweet and unusual type of scent, and very long lasting and sweet as well. that is really nice to get for that type of price, guys. So Lattafa Anna ABIEDH Rouge, I do recommend you to get that one, guys. If you are, let's say, a person that tried loads of perfumes, perhaps it will not surprise you, but those of you who are just like at the beginner stage, you know, just like me, I'm really happy about finding these type of perfumes, you know. Oud Mood was around 22 pounds, and I got it because of this beautiful bottle, you know, and plus about how popular it is. Like, and I must tell you guys, I got compliments with this perfume. It's oud perfume that it's very nice. And now let's say if I would take this perfume, I will take it out from the bottle, you know. It's basically opulent oud. So this oud is much better than this one, you know. This one is much better, definitely. So it's one of the really nice ones to get, you know. Really recommend you guys to get this one, you know, to get basically to get RAGHBA, and some maybe I will make a later on I will tell you which one I recommend, but this one I really recommend you guys to try it on. The other perfume that I got and I haven't opened yet is 24 hours. So 24 oud hours. I heard it's very, very good, guys. Maybe it's a dupe for Tom Ford Orchid or something like that. I haven't opened, but I will open it soon. The other perfume that I haven't opened, guys, is this one, is Lattafa. I heard that it has some kind of strange note. It's Nadia is the name. Not sure about this one. I will basically I am savoring right now old perfumes, and within time I will slowly open them. So for that reason, subscribe to my channel so you can keep in touch and just to know what is this perfume like in the future. And then we have, guys, another perfume. This one is another oud perfume, opulent oud. This is black version. There is as well opulent musk. It's like a white bottle, you know. So I really wanted to get white bottle, but I couldn't because the delivery is very expensive. So I only could get that one, you know. Just like it's like a blind buy, you know, blind buy. So this one I wouldn't recommend you to blind buy because it's slightly, and from other people what I could hear is not wouldn't be super nice perfume. But if you are adventurous person, you know, then give it, you know, you can try. And especially if you like oud, why not to try? For me, I really hated the beginning of the smell of this when you just initially sprayed, but then within time, guys, it becomes slightly better within time, but wouldn't be my type of favorite perfume. But it's still possible to wear, it's still possible to like as well, and I do find sometimes it's nice, you know, sometimes. So that would be opulent oud. And now we can continue with this one. This one would be more like perhaps for man. It's actually unisex, but maybe man would be more interested because it's similar to Creed Aventus, and this particular perfume I would acknowledge that is similar to Creed Aventus, you know. The name of it is Al-Dur Al-Maknoon. There is this beautiful letter there, but it just kind of ripped it off for me, you know, just kind of fell off. So Al-Dur Al-Maknoon, and it's similar basically to, one moment, is this Lattafa? Yeah, it is Lattafa. It's Lattafa. So it's the type of Lattafa Freshie. You know, Freshie doesn't last long, guys. You know, this particular perfume doesn't last long, but it's Freshie. I'm not sure if I would recommend you guys to get it because it doesn't last long unless you like medium lasting, you know, power perfumes. So, okay, so now we can have a look, guys. We can have a look at the other one. So we have as well Velvet Oud by Lattafa. This is the one, guys, that perhaps I wouldn't recommend you to blind buy because it has this type of leathery note. Kind of very Middle Eastern vibe, you know. Not feminine. Would be a bit hard to wear, you know. Hard to wear. So although I did find sometimes it's nice, interesting, but I think it would be a bit hard to get compliments with this one, you know. Velvet Oud, I'm struggling with that one, and I haven't worn a lot, so I don't know what to think about it. It's a little bit manly too, slightly, because of that leather note, you know. So I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this one. I want to show you another perfume, guys, that I am waiting to unbox, and I know that is super nice. It's Amir Al Oud by Lattafa. It's supposed to be smooth and very nice, you know, like similar similar to this by the fireplace. That's what they say. And there is as well intense version. Myself, as a newbie to Arabic perfumes, guys, I by mistake purchased this one, and I thought that it's by Lattafa, this one, but finally I discovered that actually this one is by Fragrance World, and it's not written very clear, you know, it's not written anywhere. So I confused this one with that one on Amazon and purchased a wrong product. So be aware of that. And the smell of this particular one, it's by the Fragrance World, you know. This one, you know, it's a Fragrance World perfume. It's not like it's kind of has something nice, but slightly difficult to wear, you know. It's one of those difficult to wear, guys. So, you know, just so you be aware. Let's go to the other perfume that I really like, guys. So this one is Lattafa Royal Blends. I do recommend you to buy this perfume because it's feminine, sweet. It's actually unisex, but it's definitely more feminine, and it has like this continuing type of coconut type of note, guys, that is kind of sweet floral, you know, but that coconut note just hits the nose, you know. For that reason, I find this perfume very feminine and quite good longevity, and it's a very versatile perfume, you know. Really recommend you guys this one so much. Remember this particular perfume, you know, really remember, because it's really nice perfume to have. I really enjoy this perfume. Another perfume that spiked some interest in Arabic perfumes there, you know, people who are interested in those perfumes, is Sheikh Al Shuyukh, you know, this perfume. And it's one of those most popular perfumes too, although I must tell you, I didn't enjoy it at the beginning, you know. Like, for an example, I really think that, let's say, you know, let me just kind of show you there. This RAGHBA is kind of better than this one, you know, in a way. Or let's say Lattafa ones, you know, it's much better, ABIEDH ROUGE, than this one. But this one also has some kind of nice type of element there. It's slightly leaning towards Middle Eastern type of scent, you know, but not too sharp as well. I did enjoy it sometimes, perhaps the dry down, but sometimes also I felt that it smells a little bit old-fashioned, although like especially that beginning type of note, you know. So for that reason, maybe buy perhaps Oud Mood, ABIEDH ROUGE and RAGHBA, and this, you know, this the one that I just showed you right now, this Royal Blends as well. You know, Royal Blends is super nice, guys. So this one, even though it's a lot of reviews, but I'm not sure, it's Sheikh Al Shuyukh, guys. Okay, so now another perfume that I got, guys. I have still 2 left, so I will talk about this one, and then after I will talk about this one. I like both of them so much. I like both of them. Oh, actually, this one is, I will not show you this one right now because actually it belongs to Ardal Zafran collection. I confused it. When I bought it, I thought it's by Lattafa, but then I found, you know, that it's actually by Ardal Zafran. It was written there in small letters. Subscribe to this channel so you can see the review of this particular perfume. It's very beautiful, but it's actually not by Lattafa. It's basically by Ardal Zafran. It's very nice, this perfume. The name is Shams Al Emirat Kusiret Oud. So we have this one left right now. So this one is Lattafa leather, guys. And even though like there were like not a lot of reviews, you know, kind of mixed reviews as well. Some people say, ooh, like it smells so leathery, like as if man would be driving on the motorbike, you know, something like that. So, but when I tried it, it didn't seem to me like this description at all. To me, it seemed that it's very feminine perfume, very floral, fresh, you know, as if it would be some kind of niche. It's a leather. ABIEDH leather is this particular perfume. And the lasting power was good. I couldn't feel any leather. So for me, perhaps leathery perfume would be more like velvet oud. Velvet oud is kind of a more type of leathery perfume. But this one, I would really not kind of, but I would really recommend you to purchase this perfume, guys, because it's feminine. It's from ABIEDH range again, and so it seems like I really like those both. The Duke for Baccarat Rouge and plus this one too, leather is the name, so really nice, very nice perfume. Maybe this one is a bit nicer, but this one is more fresher. And there is another version which for me delivery was very expensive, so I didn't purchase, guys. So I hope it covered, guys. I hope that, guys, I covered everything that we supposed to talk about. And I'm showing you Duke for Baccarat Rouge right now, so consider like thinking perhaps to get something from Arabic perfumes, because they're so nice, so economic, and you can basically really like swim in those perfumes, for the price that you pay. And really Lattafa brand is a very good brand, and I hope like that my descriptions cleared some of your confusions there. And if you would like to ask any questions, you can ask in the comments. And guys, like this video so we can meet each other again, and I will come back to you soon. Have a beautiful day, and bye bye, guys.